is gonna be the best party ever, because we're gonna dance, we're gonna tell a spooky story, and of course, there'll be treats! Candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat. Give me that awesome treat. Now, we have to let Mickey and Minnie know that we are ready to party. So, say this with me. Mickey's Trick and Treat. Mickey's Trick and Treat. Louder!
Happy Halloween, everybody!
It's so good to see you!
Yep, that's the best part of Halloween!
Getting together with friends and dressing up!
Awesome costumes, you two!
Thanks!
And you all look spooktacular!
Say, who's ready to dance?
Knock, knock, knock. You say it.
Knock, knock, knock!
Come on. Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock!
Rock, rock, rock.
Rock, rock, rock!
Everybody!
Rock, rock.
Rock, rock, rock!
Halloween is so exciting. Parties everywhere, so inviting.
Time to try some make-believe!
You never know what's up our sleeve!
A night for drinks and a night for treats. We're gonna overtake the streets.
So come on, monsters!
Mermaids!
Stars, we'll show the world just who we are. Come on, everybody, make some noise.
On Halloween, you can be anything!
Be a skeleton, a video game, or an astronaut.
Be a vampire!
Or a mad scientist, give it all you got. Be an awesome superhero, go and strut your stuff.
Be a pretty, pretty princess all dressed up in fluff!
Be a creature who's invading us from outer space!
Be a pirate, a bee, or a climber, give me a happy face. It's time to groove and move the beat. Get on your costume and hit the street. We're about to have some spooky fun. Knocking on the doors, that's how it's done. Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock!
Open up the doors and let's rock, rock, rock. Okay, kids, stand up and show me your dance moves. Come on, and really groove.
Oh, I love this!
Come on, Mickey.
Ooh, and bubble!
Some party, huh?
It's time to groove and move the beat. Get on your costume and hit the street. We're about to have some spooky fun. Knocking on the doors, that's how it's done. Knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock!
Open up the doors and let's
Rock, rock, rock!
knock, knock, knock.
Knock, knock, knock!
Open up the doors and let's rock, rock, rock.
Great job, everybody!
You sure know how to shake it, Mickey.
You sure do!
Look at that.
And now it's time for our spooky story. Ooh! Oh, Mickey, you start.
Okay, gather around. It was a brilliant and sunny day.
Mickey, that's not scary.
Oh, you're right. I guess I haven't told many scary stories.
How about it was a dark and stormy night?
Ooh, spooky.
And we were at,
Yes.
oh gosh, where were we?
Under the moonlight.
In a graveyard.
In a spooky forest. And suddenly, there was a mysterious castle.
With thunder.
And lightning.
And butterflies.
What?
It was getting a little too scary.
Oh, come on, everyone. What flies around a spooky castle on Halloween night? Shout it out. That's right.
Oh, yes! Bats! The cutest bats you've ever seen! What?
Aw, cute bats.
Oh!
And suddenly, it started to rain.
Come on, everyone. Let's make the rain sounds. Everyone, pat your knees like this. Make it rain harder and harder. Faster, everyone. Faster, faster. What a rainstorm.
And just then, a loud scream came from the castle.
party.
Hey, Goofy, you're just in time. We were all telling a spooky story.
Really? I'm out of here.
Hey, wait, no,
Whoa! Feet, keep moving. Whoa!
Come on, Goof. We're all playing along.
It's not too spooky.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure, pal. And there's gonna be treats.
I want candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat.
Hiya, Donald.
Hey, Donald. I want candy, lots of candy. Donald, we have to finish our spooky story first. Story! And then treats. I want candy, candy, candy. Okay, it was a sugar rush. Let's get started and Goofy up on our spooky story.
Here we go. It was a dark and stormy night.
Thunder, lightning, rain, loud scream.
Oh, that's me. This is fun. Then we all got trapped.
Because this wasn't just any castle.
It was the castle
Scientist.
I got a bad feeling about this.
I'm boiling a potion.
love potion.
Boiling potions a funny notion.
Don't scoff at the power of mad science. You're all driving me batty.
Real bad.
Ghost, run this way. Donald, look out. Wait a minute! Ghosts don't have ears. Hey everyone, who is this? Come on, shout it out!
Just me.
Well, if that's Minnie, then who is this everybody? Come on, shout it out!
Hey, Mick, you sure tricked us.
Well, you know, Goofy, this is a trick and treat party.
We got you, Goofy. Come on, everybody, sing along. I want candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat. Give me that awesome treat. I've been waiting all year long. I can't wait anymore. And every time we start this song, it makes me want the candy more. We laughed and danced.
Spooky tales.
You ran for ghostly trucks.
I'm gonna have to give me some candy soon to give me my sugar fix. I want candy, lots of candy. Give me that stuff that's fun to eat. Give me that awesome treat. I want candy, loads of candy. Don't want none of your bubble gum. Just give me that yum yum.
A peppermint patty sounds good to me.
Or a lollipop, pretty please.
I want me a peanut butter cup. I'm begging you a bit to eat.
The chocolate bar.
I even take a licorice. a treat.